first, we're gonna try playing the game ourselves, and then we're gonna try it with the Waterjet and see if that's easier. There will be punishments for the losers.
From my limited knowledge, I'm pretty sure Squid Games is some reality TV show in Korea where they've got no rules and no laws, anything goes. So they're able to like kill people if they break a cookie or something.
Okay, everybody grab your plate. Suckers. I survived 40 seconds with the easiest shape.
Feels bad.
Look at the back of mine. You see those cracks?
Mitchell just exploded his. Mitchell lasted a minute longer than me.
Oh. Watch his break.
Oh my gosh.
Are we counting that?
You got super lucky on those breaks.
Got 5 minutes.
We're making progress.
Do you see that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep flicking.
Oh, that's gross. Why are you still eating it?
I mean, I like all of the punishments.
A minute left.
You gotta start making some big moves.
Ah!
Well, we're all dead. Punishment is death by mustard. Mitchell's first.
It's good.
Ugh.
That was it? Dan has to die twice.
The Dalgona cookie is by far the most popular challenge from Squid Game, and I think we have proved now that it is actually difficult. But making the cookies is relatively easy. All you have to do is heat up sugar, stir it a lot, add baking soda, pour it, press it, and stamp it. And if you've done everything right, there's a 50% chance that they will just blow up on their own for no reason at all. Not great.
Tastes like Korea.
Okay, hold on. Palmer got the hardest one last time, so he gets first pick.
Oh.
Mitchell?
Ooh. Oh.
Neil?
Star though?
Nards. Stuck with a triangle again. Does using a water jet increase your odds of survival? That's what we'll find out. Manual controls only. Is anything left?
I call that a success.
Not cracked, and anyone would agree that's a star.
That is a star.
I have an equilateral triangle, which means I should be able to do 2 up, 1 over. You be the judge, did I pass?
You passed.
No, I want to squirt mustard in your face again. Circle's gonna be pretty hard, so I'm gonna just move the plate while the water jet stays still.
Scroll saw strat.
Yes. If I asked my 3-year-old what shape that was, she'd probably say circle.
Is that a pass?
I think it's a pass.
Good luck. What strategy are you using?
Well, I play a lot of Tetris, so I'm gonna try and use my Tetris dexterity.
Do you understand any of those words?
Tetris.
Okay. Good luck. Punishment if you lose is we force you to boof a pepper.
Uh-oh.
Okay, good luck.
I did it.
Something's not right.
What?
What? Cheat codes? Didn't even square it up. If you had, could have gotten away with it.
Oh.
even with a water jet, if you pick the umbrella, you'd still be out.
I'm butthurt.
Yeah, you will be.
Hey.
Punishment is throwing back a bottle of vinegar. It is still sealed. Oh my gosh.
Now go swallow some baking soda.